What's up guys, my name is Habib and welcome to the creatube.xyz. Today we are gonna be color grading some log footage to get the beautiful cinematic dark blue look, same like this. You do color grading and like videos like this, make sure to give this video a like down below and make sure to subscribe. Without further ado, let's jump to the today's topic. So there is lots of different styles and techniques in color grading in DaVinci Resolve especially. But one you will see kind of often in movies and advertisement is this dark blue and beautiful kind of pop out of the screen look. And that's why we are going to be creating today in DaVinci Resolve 16. So let's go ahead and hop in the computer and I will show you that what I'm working on. So this is one of the shots from Blackmagic Pocket 4K in the studio with one key light, and as you can see it's very flat image with lots of details here. And I will go ahead to rename our existing node here, and it's depend on you to label your node or not, but in my case I will prefer to work very sharp and very clear. For further process it will easy to find out my node which I needed. Let's take a look to the gamma channel. We want to adjust the brightness for clip, as you can see it right now, a little bit up like this. It sounds like good right now. And we have to little bit down the shadow. Please keep your eyes on the palette. We don't want to clap or crash the details in shadow. So same like this, as you can see right now, from the shadow channel we will decrease the shadow a little bit to keep the background darker from the character. Same like this, we don't want to crash the or collapse the shadows too much. So after this we will going to create our another node, and it will be the saturation. As you can see here, the colors are not pop out like it's look beautiful. In the bottom left tab number 1 we'll go to increase the saturation, same like this, as you can see right now. So as well from the bottom second tab we will go to color boost, and a little bit the color should be boosted right now. So let's check the before and after, same like this, much better. So let's create the another node. And we will focus on this node, how we can pop out the colors from our footage. As you can see right now, here we have many and different colors here, but the blue is not a little bit pop out. So from the curve, hue versus saturation, we will click a sample on the blue and it will appear 3 dots. So let's increase the blue as much as possible. Yeah, looks now beautiful, much better. As you can see here, we don't have to touch the green and red channel, only the blue. It looks now amazing. So for this, let's click on the yellow as well. We want to pop out the yellow a little bit as well, so like this. And we don't want to make the yellow much higher because we have the yellow costed colors in our character face, same like this. It's now pretty awesome. Well, let's create another node. It will be the shadows. We were working on the background because we have lots of shadow on our background, so we will call this node shadow. As you can see, the background with the characters now mixed. We have to difference and create a difference between the background, something like this. From the shadow we will cast a little bit blue color. It looks like a teal and orange, but seems very perfect. Now as you can see it right now, we have crashed a little bit red on the scopes, as you can see, but no worries, it looks awesome. Yes, something like this. We can recover the crashed parts a little bit in the further process. on the final note. Same like this from the shadow. I think it's look much better right now. As you can see from the softbox, we have here a yellow light, and it's better. I think it looks awesome. So at the last, I would like to create our power window to the softbox and camera. I want to pop out a little bit these two equipped machines in the background as and as you can see it right now. So how we can control the exposure from the curves? It will be easy. Let's fit the footage first and then go to the curves, and from the middle you can see it right the way like this. Boom. Looks better. I think it looks better. Yeah, it's a little bit too higher. We can work on the shadows as well, a little bit down, something like this. It's perfect. I think now it's look amazing. Yeah, let's zoom it a little bit and see the difference clearly. I think perfect. We have here definitely everything in good color, something like this. Well, it's end. So we have here a method that we can apply this power grid to our other clips. Same, you can grab a still from this scene and you can apply for other clips as well, something like this. As you can see, I have already here with me another one. Let's see how we can apply this power grid or LAT to our other clips. I think it's very easy, just we need to drag and drop. Well, at the end, I would like to say, if you want to download this power grid or this LAT free from my website, so go to the description in the first link and download it free. Here we created a really dope with the taking it from super fat image to a high and very good looking image, and I am proud of that. I hope you guys are proud of it, and I hope you guys follow it along and made something that you are proud of for yourself. With that said, I hope you learned something from this video. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you have any concern, suggestion or comment, write down below in the comment section. I will definitely answer to them. with that said, we have a platform that gives you free and fresh LATs every week. So don't forget to sign up on there and create your account today and get your free and favorite LAT every week updated. So with that said, stay safe and stay creative.